Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 12. No sound during cellular call. Let's get started.
No sound.
Disassembling the phone. Removing the motherboard. Removing soft protectors. Place it in a layered heating system to disassemble the layered motherboard. After disassembly, place it in a motherboard holder, removing the metal shield. Heating the Qualcomm SDR865 chipset through the hot gun. After that, install the metal shield. Again, place it in a layered heating system to assemble the motherboard layers. Now assemble the phone. Turn on the phone.
Perfect.
And that's it. We've successfully resolved the iPhone 12 no-call sound issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.